you invest in a high-quality vehicle like any of Germany's 5 premier brands, then you want perfection for as long as it's yours to drive. If your vehicle is ever involved in a collision, then that perfection must be restored.
The only collision center in the country certified by all 5 German manufacturers. You have the right and need to demand your Audi, BMW, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, or Volkswagen be brought to D-Patrick.
But it's not just the equipment we invest in our people too. We know that making the right repair to your vehicle requires having the right technicians following the right procedures specified by your vehicle's manufacturer.
Each of our certified technicians receive at least 4 years of training and spending 6 to 8 weeks every year learning the latest repair methods for each performance brand.
As you can see, we're passionate about the vehicles we sell. If you're in an accident, you have the right to choose where your vehicle gets repaired. After you call your family and your agent, insist on your vehicle being sent to D. Patrick Motoplex Certified Collision Center on Green River Road.